Why are you taking life so seriously? Well, our next guest is asking us that question. She's the author of the newest book, Erase 2, Don't Take Life Too Seriously. Nikita Barnett Hamilton with me now. Good morning.
Good morning, Neville.
The bossy shirt, Erase 2. Let's start there. Tell me about the name.
All right, Erase 2, Don't Take Life Too Seriously. I was inspired by this title because I was at a place where I was literally drowning in all the depression that life can throw at you. I was at a place where I felt like, what's the sense in life? And then I would have been inspired to not take life too seriously. Life is important. However, if I employ the right strategies and just live life for its truest, realest moment, then I would live here fulfilling purpose.
Can you tell me why you were in that spot?
All right. First of all, you know when you get into little financial problem like your credit card woes and stuff, money can be a problem. Two, having been married and you would have wanted children and you're saying, you don't see them forthcoming, you're saying, oh, you look at other people and they're having what is going to happen with you. And there is also the fact that you would have been progressing professionally, but you're not seeing or reaping the harvest that you hope to. And I honestly believe that there are persons out there that feel a little stagnant and not feel as though they're fulfilling their purpose. However, if you look at the true meaning of life and the worth and the air and just the refreshing moments, then you will fulfill life using the right strategies and just having God as your head.
I like it already.
Oh.
Hey, you're so excited. You start with a poem that's called Dies Slowly.
Yes.
He who becomes the slave of habit, who follows the same routines every day, who never changes brand, who does not risk and change the color of his clothes, who does not talk to people he does not know, dies slowly.
Yes.
He who makes television his guru dies slowly. What are you trying to tell us?
I'm telling you that you have to have spontaneity. Be spontaneous about life. Don't stick to one thing. Go with the flow. Be adventurous. And television is used here, but in our day and age, social media is a place where we literally have as our gods. Don't allow social media to dictate. Social media is important, like every other thing in life. Just balance it. It's saying we're black and white, but also we're yellow. We're red. Be excitable, man.
We were just talking about that social media thing. Don't be a tourist to your path.
Yeah.
Finish.
Don't be a tourist. Be a passenger.
What does that mean?
All right. You know, you come to Jamaica as a tourist. You're going to leave. You and I have a path to travel on. Own it. You're in your car, your car. Sit down in your car like a true passenger and know that this is my vehicle versus a taxi man that just taking up somebody. Be there. Go.
Right. What's the Bolt effect?
The Bolt effect. Neville, I was sitting while writing. And I like Usain Bolt generally. And I thought about his life and I'm saying, this dude is an inspiration outside of the track. And when I looked at his life, examined it outside of Instagram, of course, I said, Usain Bolt, him not take life too seriously. However, he is the best version of himself. So there was when I thought about the Bolt effect. One, you have to boltify your mind. Your mind
Boltify.
Yes. Your mind
is a wordsmith. You have to boltify your mind. I like it.
A lot of things happen in this mind. And if we have the courage and the strength to tell our minds what's to be, then it will happen. I'm sure that there are many times that Usain Bolt felt like, oh, I don't want to train, I don't want to do this. But he pushed because it started in the mind. The other thing I spoke about under the Bolt effect is having an A-team. If you recognize him, he has an A-team.
He does.
We need support. We need people that are true and real to us, that will remain loyal regardless of we're down or up. Just be there.
Yeah. Where did you get the strength to do this? Because you told us already what led you to this. Where did that strength come from? Because some people would have just said, sure, can't bother.
The strength came honestly from inside and just praying and just saying, Jesus, help me. That's where I really, truly found the strength to push.
And at what stage in putting this together did you feel this, no man, we're good now, if you got there?
I'm not there yet.
Yeah.
On Saturday at the launch, I think I will fully finish and say yes. But I am at a better place. Because honestly, Evelyn, putting all of this cute little book together, it's a lot of time, it's a lot of energy. I had breakdown moments. But again, you're 18.
But at the end of the day, you think you got it right?
Yes.
Tell me about the launch.
Oh, the launch is this Saturday, March 7th at Pure in Heart Ministries International, 80 Halfway Tree Road. That's where my church is. It's free. Just come, purchase a book for $2,500. We're going to have DJ sticker there. We're going to have a little party and a little vibes.
Who do you want to read this?
All right. I want adolescents and I want young adults to read this. Had I gotten some of these strategies when I was younger, or even while I entered the teaching profession, then I know that it would have helped me, especially financially, to manage life better.
Can you tell us where we could get the book outside of the launch?
Yes. On Amazon, the ebook is there, and also the paperback. You can also contact me on Instagram, Nakita Barnett BH_. You can find me there, and you can call me, email me. At the back of the book, I have more details.
Yeah, man. I hope that at the end of the launch, you can call me and say, yeah, man,
yes,
I'm good now.
I will. And you see that picture that I have with you, I'll make sure I put it up nicely.
Please.
Yes.
Great to meet you.
Thank you,
Fantastic effort. And I know you're going to come with another one.
Yes.
Soon, yeah, I'm sure.
Thank
Nakita
you.
Barnett Hamilton, she's the author of Erase 2, Don't Take Life Too Seriously. All right, folks, still to come, Flow Jamaica launches Unlimited Everything. Done. But first, News in 5. Stay with us, please. Soon come.